Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So I am super excited to show you. Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. Let's try this again. My camera keeps freezing, of course. So got a little something here. Let's see if this will give you all any idea. Probably won't. So basically, I bought some halos for the Can-Am. So let me. I don't even know where to put you all because I took you out of the case. I'll put you all right there for a second. Let's take a look at these. So they're already waterproof, which is perfect. They look cool. They have 3M tape on the back already, so they're just ready to be put on, and away they go. They came with the controller box here. Apparently it's Bluetooth run, which is also pretty cool. Yeah, so I'm just super excited to put these on because I wanted some brighter lights and something that looked a little cooler on the bike. That's 2 of the 4 that I got. Here are the other 2. Let me just double check my phone. No word yet. Oh, okay. Sorry, I was... Work will come first, unfortunately. Sorry, YouTube. So, basically, these halos, what I'm planning on doing, and I think the easiest way to do this, you notice how that top lip is kind of covered? So I figured that would be the best place to drill into, as long as I go slowly, keyword is slowly, and cut out the area, I should be good. The best way to probably do this, though, is to actually remove the 2 front headlight assemblies, which I might have to do it correctly. So I guess we'll just start going at it and see where I end up. I think I am just going to remove them now that I really think about it, because I don't want to mess up those headlight assemblies, because I know they're not cheap. And yes, it is freezing out. It is about 25 degrees, so I'm surprised my camera is even working right now. Hoorah. So let's get this done. This will be all one video. Just be putting the lights on, and let's see how they look. Stay tuned, YouTube. We got some work to do.
me that you see it too. I wanna run away with you, I don't really care where to, just wanna be alone with you. I wanna run away with you, tell me that you want it too, just wanna be alone with you. I wanna run away with you, I don't really care where to, just wanna be alone with you. I wanna run away with you, tell me that you want it too, just wanna be alone with you. I wanna run away with you.
Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. I know I made that a long intro right there. So let's take a look. This is how the lights came out. I know I kind of cut the clip a little early, but let me get on the app here. Oh, got the Ring doorbell here. I know I got an old phone, sorry. So you put the key on here. It automatically connects. Now look at this. Make sure it's on. Oh. Did I have the wrong one on? It's not connecting like it was. Sometimes you have to close out of the app and go back. LED DMX. Here we go. There we go. Okay. What do you all think? I really love that blue. And that red. Let me get it back. Oh, right there. Look at that. And it also goes to music. What do you all think? Pretty snazzy, right? I didn't want to forget to make this clip because if anybody else wants these lights, at least you know it's pretty easy to install. First of all, they're waterproof. Second of all, and third of all, it's very easy to control from your app. Just make sure you're on the correct one, the LED DMX. You click that. Might take a second to load. Make sure that this on-off button is white, because if it's blue, that means they're off. White, they're on. Automatically connects. Takes a little finagling. You don't have to sign up for anything. And there we go. We got red. Well, if we want the yellow, like this bike is, there we go. Look at that yellow right there. Matches the bike. If we want blue, because who doesn't love some nice blue? I mean, look at that. That is just, it makes the bike. It really does. Being able to choose the color like that, I really think really makes the bike. Now, let's say we want straight up white. Just chose white. You can see the white is on. If I want blue, you can also choose presets. There's a lot that this kit offers. That's the yellow for the bike. You got custom mode. You can make colors. Like I said, you can actually go through here. And let's say you want the one all the way at the bottom where it's like 30. Look at that. So there's definitely many options that come with these lights. And for the $100 I spent on these LEDs, I think this is what's actually given the value to the bike. It's like the little things like this that give the value to anything that you buy and restore, like I did with this. Because as you all remember in the beginning, this quad was pretty much destroyed. Was it worth what I traded? You can go back and forth. You know, I traded a lot for the bike. I keep saying bike, but the quad. I think you guys all get what I'm going at. At the end of the day, it's the little stuff like this that actually makes the value on the bike, like the bumper, everything else that I did. And something else that I'm doing should really add to the value. So I'm actually going to be putting plexiglass over this, but I'm going to paint the underside of it, and we'll see how that looks. I think it should look good. Either paint, or I might try to duct tape it, depending on how clear it actually is. But we'll go ahead, we'll turn these off, we'll turn the key off, we'll let that charge again, because it needs a new regulator, if I'm correct. It might need a new stator. I hope it doesn't, because that's a pain in the neck to do. And we also have the original on-off switch here that I made for the lights that will be going around the snorkels. So stay tuned, YouTube. We got way more to do with this. Well, not a whole lot more. We're going to be finishing this up. It's going to be awesome. In my opinion, it's going to be awesome. And the fact that I actually made it quieter, I think kind of shows that I'm not so much growing up, but I'm kind of moving past that stage of I want everything to be loud, I want it to be obnoxious. I'm kind of moving into that stage of I want it to look cool, and that's it. And it's nice. So stay tuned, YouTube. I got so much more to do with this still. We got a few more weeks. We got the wire stripper. We got a lot of stuff to clear out in here. That's why I'm starting with the wire. The more wire I get rid of, the better. Hopefully that video comes out to you relatively soon. Stay tuned. Diesel Dan Peters signing out for now.